the wait is over. I was very much excited about the Samsung adapter for my S23 Ultra. So here it is from the Samsung.com. Now we will unbox it and see the adapter inside. This is a 25-watt adapter from Samsung. I have called the Samsung customer care and they will assist me to use the 25 watts adapter from Samsung only for my S23 Ultra. So this is the box inside that. So the box is covered with the adhesive tape. We'll just unbox it and see. They have sent me the invoice in my WhatsApp. Samsung is going digital. So this is the hard copy of the invoice, you can see. And this is the adapter. So I have gone through the reviews in Flipkart and Amazon that many customers got a very confused product. So I have ordered it from Samsung shop. This is very trusty that I will get a original product. Let's unbox it, unwrap it, and this is 25W PD adapter. You can see, I will show you the price here. The price is written 1699, but I got it for 1299. So it has the sealed pack. I'll just open the seal and see if everything is good from inside or not. So this is the product. You can see this is the adapter. It's pretty hard to open it. So this is it. So in the adapter, I have seen that it is written as 5 volt 3 ampere, that is 15 watt charger, or 9 volt 2.77 ampere, that is 25 watt, or 3.3 volt to 5.9 volt at 3 ampere or 3.3 ampere. And also it is rated as 11 volt with 2.25 ampere, that is 25 ampere. So the specifications are correct. Let's charge it and see if the product is working well or not. So I have the super fast charging adapter from Samsung, and you can see this is the cable I got inside the S23 box. Let's just connect the wires. So it has the adhesive here. I'm just opening it for the first time. So I finally just bring out the cable and just attach it with the adapter, and I'll just connect it with the power, and we will connect it to the phone. You can see the super fast charging 6%, 47 minutes until left.